Gotta show you how I love you like I'm never ever loved somebody.
Hey y'all, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. I have something fun today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, doing a haul of all of the stuff that I ordered from TEMU. This is gonna be my first time trying TEMU's products. I've heard about TEMU like for several years now, but I've just never ordered from there before. They have so many different things on there, like so many different things to choose from, so many different categories at reasonable prices. Yeah, let me show y'all what I got. So new TEMU users, once you get the app, go in the search bar and you can put my code. It's DXJ8685 and just put that in the search bar and then you'll be able to get the $100 coupon bundle. Let's go ahead and get started, and I want to thank TEMU for sponsoring this video. So the first item that I got, this is like just a little tray. Throw your keys on here, or you can even throw some jewelry on here. I just thought this was so cute. This is good quality, like. And honestly, I can't even remember what all I ordered. I just feel like I was picking different things from like random categories because there's so much on there and so many things to choose from. Like you'll definitely find something that you're interested in. So let's see what is next. The next thing is this, a little fan. Okay, this has pretty good power. So yeah, I thought this would be perfect because it's hot as it's so damn hot out. And then also, I thought maybe it would be good for like after setting spray, just to go ahead and like speed up the process. I just thought it was cute. And I didn't have, oh, there's another speed. Oh. Okay, so it has 3 speeds. Yeah, I love this. I love this little fan. So next, this is it's a vegetable cutter. I'm sure you can use cheese with it. I got it for cheese. I don't know, but it says it's a vegetable cutter. I'm gonna try this in a second to see if I can shred some cheese with this. Yes, okay, cute. Next, let's see what it is. A scalp massager. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I saw this girl on TikTok talking about how she grew her hair like inches from using a scalp massager, an electric scalp massager. And I was like, hold up. Okay, so there's different speeds as well. So you can switch these out if you want. Okay, you can see they're like the 2 different kinds. Yeah, but I feel like these are probably gonna be better for scalp massages. So I'm really excited for it. Okay, so I think so far this is my favorite. I think it's so pretty. Like, this is so pretty. It's pretty, and y'all, if y'all didn't know, I'm trying to grow my hair. My hair is short. I cut my hair off. So I'm trying to grow my hair. I'm definitely going to be incorporating that in my nighttime routine. And hopefully my hair will grow faster. Okay, this one is next. It says fragile. I'm trying to think. Y'all, like I said, I don't even know. Oh, these are so cute. It's a four pack of these little glassware. I think these are so cute. I think these would be so cute for a little matcha, a cute little iced coffee, wine. No, I think these are so cute. They're so adorable. Yes, I love these. Just like, I feel like these are very girly. Next. Okay, if y'all see my last video, y'all know I'm doing the carnivore diet. Sometimes when I cook, I like to use baking grease. And so I normally just put it in like a little like glass container and store my baking grease that way. But I saw this on there, and it's for you to store your baking grease in. And this has a little strainer too, so it'll get all the little bits. But hold on, let me show you this. This is so cute. This feels like straws. What is this? This is, oh my god. Wooden fans. Yes, I finally got a line dancing fan. I don't know why I never bought one, but yes, and it's loud. Like, yes. I wonder if my mom has one that's loud. If she doesn't, okay, I got one for me. I'm gonna give this one to my mom. So it was like a 2-pack of these fans. Next, let's see what we got. Oh yes, I got a little selfie light. Oh, it's thick. This is way thicker than my last one. I wonder if it's gonna be much brighter. Can y'all see the light? Okay, so it changes like from yellow light to white light, or you can get a mix of both. Okay, and this is the brightness. Okay, so it has a little charger in here, a little USB charger. I feel like who doesn't need a Selfie Light? So yeah, this feels heavy duty, like it's gonna last. My last one that I had, not good. Oh, cute. Okay, so these are like these little travel bags. So like for like little toiletries on the go. There's this one. This one is a little bit bigger. And then one, okay, this one is a nice size. It's an interesting tag on here. I just throw all my makeup in here. Yeah, it's a good size. So, and a lot of this stuff was super affordable, like very good price, and everything that I've gotten so far is like, it's good quality, like it's good stuff. Oh, I think these might be packing cubes. Are these packing cubes? Oh yeah. So I got some packing cubes. I feel like you can never have enough packing cubes. Or actually I might have too many. I don't know, but I feel like you can never have too many packing cubes. So yeah, I got a new set of packing cubes. There's several different ones in here, several different sizes. Perfect. What is this thing? Oh yes, I know what this is. Sometimes I go on Red Note. I haven't really been on Red Note in a while. If you don't know what Red Note is, it's like TikTok, but it's like it's in China. Like whenever we had that TikTok band, I got on Red Note, and then I was like obsessed with it and just like seeing the whole like a whole new culture. And I would watch a lot of cooking videos, and I would watch like videos where they would make like egg dishes, and it would be like this rectangular pan, right? And they'll make the egg, and then they'll, hold on, let me put this together. This is so cute. I love this. They'll make eggs, like they'll crack an egg here, and they'll cook it and like slowly, oh, this is like the perfect size spatula for it. Oh yeah, it fits perfectly. And they'll just cook it and then like kind of roll it, and it'll be like a rolled egg. I don't know, I wanted, so I thought this would be fun to try to do that. I'm gonna do that. Actually, in just a bit, I'm gonna try it out. I have no idea what this could be. Oh, I'm like, what the heck did I order? These are hair towels after the shower. These, I don't wanna mess up my hair, but these things, yes, these are perfect. So, you know, you just put it in your hair, twirl it up, and then tie it with the little button on the front. Yes, these are perfect. Yeah. The little hair towel, and it came with 3. So I have a pink, gray, and blue. We're almost done. I'm having fun with this. I hope you'll like it. I think that TEMU reached out to me because I used to, oh gosh, I need this. I really do. I needed this today. Okay, this is a power bank. My phone was dying earlier. The charger I keep in my car, I feel like it's just too slow. But this, okay, so it has 3 different plugs. So this is perfect. This is so perfect. Oh yes, and you can plug into it as well. It can fit your iPhone if you have the newer iPhone or the older iPhone. Oh, it is on. Hello. I don't know. I don't know why I've never bought a power bank before, but yeah, this is a great purchase. Okay. I even have one on right now. I like little like cute bracelets like this. Just cute little bracelets. So I got like this little bracelet kit. I already have one. This one has more colors than the one I have. But I love to make little bracelets and anklets. And I feel like if you're more plus size, sometimes it's harder to find bracelets that are like, that fit you. This is gonna be fun to make my own anklets and bracelet. We're almost done. Is this a bonnet? Oh, okay, yeah, this is a bonnet. But I think it's the one that ties. Yes, okay. So a little bonnet, and then you like the ones that wrap around and you can tie in the front to really like lay down the front. I got this. I don't want to get makeup on it, so I'm not going to try it on. Very soft bonnet. I think this is a phone case. Cute. What do you think? And this one seems like it'll protect really well. Okay. So this is one of the little car mounts for your phone, but it's the magnetic one. I have the one that like that holds your phone like this, but this one is like magnetic, so I don't have to worry about the cord, which is amazing. Let me see. Oh yes, yeah. And then, oh, this is gonna be perfect for my car to have it in the window. And then this has a plug on it already, so it's gonna charge your phone just by being on here. That is gonna be so much better. Instead of dealing with the cords connected to your phone, it's just gonna be like, I don't know what, I've never seen this before, or maybe I just haven't paid attention. But so yeah, it's just gonna be charging your phone, and then you don't have to worry about any cords, and I don't have to worry about, oh yeah. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. Okay guys, we're down to the final 2, 3. Okay. It's coming to me. It's coming. Like, for a minute, I could not remember. But this is like an ice roller. Okay. I could not remember for the life of me. I was thinking this was, honestly, I can't even tell you what I thought this was. You just put water here in this little hole and then freeze it. And then you can just like roll the ice on your face. That is gonna feel so good in the mornings. Oh my gosh. I used to have a little ice facial roller, but I dropped it and I broke it. So this is an electric petty callus remover. I would show you, but I feel like we know. Okay. That's something I'm gonna have to do in my own private time, but this is nice. Yeah, this is good. And then, oh yeah, and then you just charge it. It just has a charger. Perfect. Last but not least, this is something that I've seen on TikTok. Actually, I've seen people using these. I like to make this soup, a chicken poblano soup, and I have to shred the chicken to make it, and I feel like that takes so long. And so I got this. This is a chicken shredder. Yeah, let me just pop these in here. Okay, so you just pop the chicken on here, and then yeah, and then this shreds it like really quickly. So definitely excited to use this because yes, and I haven't made that soup in a while too, and that would be so good, but I'm on my diet. Oh wait a minute, no, yeah, well, it's more of like a low carb, it's not a carnivore meal. But anyway, so yes, even chicken salad, but I don't know, this is so good for shredded chicken. Yeah, anyway, so that is everything. That's all my stuff, like all very good, very useful items. Like I love everything I got. So yeah, and I'm also gonna leave a link to all of the items in the description box down below, so y'all can check them out. I think that's so nice. They're giving this $100 coupon bundle, so make sure y'all go download the app and claim the $100 coupon bundle. And I'm gonna leave the QR code so y'all can scan it with your phones, and then also if you want, you can just go ahead and type it in, and I'm gonna put the code on the screen for you to just type it in. So make sure you claim your $100 coupon bundle. And I want to say thank you to TEMU for sponsoring this video and sending me these things. I appreciate it. And if y'all are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.
I think I might do anything for you if you just let